Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking part in a collab hosted by This and That by Denise Jordan. Now, among the things we were supposed to have is something with words on it. So I have a Christmas card there. It's about 20 years old. Not 20, more than 20, 30. But these are the cards we used to have when I was growing up. And among the things we used to do is hang them up on a string in the living room. There was a long string where you would hang all the cards that you receive from friends and family. And then there's a bowl here with the Christmas baubles. A clear one and a blue one. What you're seeing inside there is cotton wool. So we used to use cotton wool for imitating snow. Many of us didn't even know what snow was, and we didn't quite know what it looked like. We just know it was white and it looked like cloudy, like cotton wool. So that's what we would use to imitate snow and put it all over the Christmas tree and to decorate other things. Then I have two candles, one on a black candlestick and the other one in a clear candle holder. These are just paper napkins and a tea towel. Then we were also supposed to have a floral, yeah, this is my floral arrangement. It wouldn't be practical for me to have this vignette here because this is one of my work tables in the kitchen, and maybe I'd put it when I've finished all the cooking and I just want the counter to look pretty, otherwise it wouldn't work for me so well. But that didn't stop me from making something beautiful for myself. There's a doily on a silver tray, and the rest is just more Christmas decor, the chain of little balls. And there's a book that I've put there just for the height, to add some height for the candle sticks, because I like tall, sort of tall things on an arrangement. Thank you. I'm learning a lot about vignettes and Christmas decor from This and That with Denise Jordan and other decorators. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.